Now, imagine all that freedom packed inside one of the most luxurious, most innovative, and most awarded RVs ever built. Because today, we're stepping inside the brand new 2026 motorhome that just won Camper of the Year. A motorhome that doesn't just move, it inspires. So buckle up, because this isn't just a tour, it's a look into the future of luxury travel on wheels. From the very first glance, you can tell this isn't your average camper. The 2026 model stands out with its sculpted aerodynamic body, futuristic LED light bar across the front, and that striking chrome grille that seems to glow at sunset. Built on a premium Mercedes-Benz chassis, it delivers not just presence, but performance. The raised stance, wide tires, and sleek side mirrors hint that this motorhome is made for more than just highways. It's ready for adventure. Around the sides, you'll notice smooth, seamless paneling, no visible seams or bulky handles. Every design line feels intentional, crafted to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. And at the back? A panoramic rear window giving you a 180-degree view of wherever you decide to park, whether it's a coastal cliff or deep forest trail. This exterior doesn't whisper luxury, it announces it. Step inside, and instantly, you'll understand why it won Camper of the Year. It's like walking into a high-end European apartment, minimalist, bright, and effortlessly elegant. Warm LED accent lighting glows under the cabinets. Soft leather upholstery invites you to sit and stay a while. And that massive panoramic skylight above floods the entire cabin with natural light, making even rainy days feel cozy. The open-plan layout connects the living space, kitchen, and driver's cabin seamlessly, no clutter, no barriers. Every inch feels perfectly balanced between style and practicality. It's not just an RV interior, it's an experience in comfort and craftsmanship. In the front, the living area is built for both relaxation and entertainment. The captain's chairs swivel 180 degrees to face a sleek lounge with a convertible sofa. A hidden smart TV rises silently from behind the side cabinet, with surround sound built right into the ceiling. Whether you're watching a movie or hosting friends on the road, the atmosphere feels premium. The attention to detail is unreal, from real wood veneer finishes to ambient lighting that adjusts with a simple voice command. And of course, every window is double-glazed for noise isolation, so all you hear at night is silence, or maybe the distant waves. Moving to the kitchen, this is where the 2026 model truly shows off its innovation. The layout is compact but incredibly efficient. You get a full-size induction cooktop, a convection oven, and even a hidden dishwasher drawer, rare even in luxury RVs. The countertops are made from lightweight composite stone, giving that marble look without the extra weight. Soft closed drawers glide silently, and integrated LED strips make late-night cooking effortless. A tall refrigerator with a digital cooling zone keeps everything fresh, from your morning juice to your evening wine. And speaking of wine, yes, there's a temperature-controlled wine rack just below the counter. Because if you're going to travel the world, you might as well do it in style. Now, let's talk about one of the most talked about features, the bathroom. Unlike most motorhomes, this one doesn't compromise on comfort. Step in, and you're greeted by a full standing shower with a rainfall head, a backlit mirror, and heated floors. Yes, heated floors in an RV. The water system is smart controlled, optimizing flow so you never run out, even on longer trips. The entire bathroom feels like a spa retreat, wrapped in soft touch walls and elegant matte fixtures. It's not just functional, it's indulgent. At the rear is the master suite, and it's every traveler's dream. A full queen-size bed with adjustable headrest, surrounded by panoramic side windows and reading lights. Storage is hidden everywhere, under the bed, behind the panels, even built into the steps. And when night falls, just touch a button and the room transforms, blackout blinds glide down automatically, LED night lights turn on, and the temperature adjusts to your preset comfort level. It feels less like camping, and more like checking into a 5-star boutique hotel, except this one moves with you. Now, innovation is where this 2026 model leaves everyone else behind. It comes with a smart control system that links everything, lighting, climate, security, and multimedia, into one central touchscreen. Or better yet, you can control it all from your smartphone. Solar panels on the roof recharge the onboard lithium battery pack, giving you days of off-grid power. And with advanced insulation and a silent climate system, this motorhome is built for every season, summer or snow. You can even check your tire pressure, fuel levels, and real-time GPS position, all from the driver's seat. It's the definition of smart luxury on the move. So what made it win Camper of the Year? Simple innovation, craftsmanship, and the promise of freedom. It's not the biggest or the flashiest, but it's the most complete package, balancing design, efficiency, comfort, and technology in a way no other brand has this year. It's a motorhome made not just for travel, but for living. So now the question is, if you had the keys to this 2026 Camper of the Year, where would you take it first? The mountains? The coast? Or maybe a road that doesn't even exist on the map yet? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your dream destination. And if you enjoyed this tour and want to see more of the world's most beautiful RVs, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because the next one might just be your future home on wheels.